perfect ho yung sinabi niya dito. As in, sabi ko, bukas na bukas, wala ka ng budget. Totoo. Wala na, hindi ka nakasali. Hindi ka nakasali. Ano yan eh, may dyan sa camera kasi may kanya-kanya yan eh. May kanya-kanyang grupo. Oh. Pagka-close ka ng speaker, dito ka lang. Eh kaya siya, kinontra niya si Marcos, doon ka na, hindi ka nakasali. Sigurado yan. Tingnan nyo ha.
Curious, how many undersecretaries in the DA?
Eight undersecretary.
And the eight, from a management point of view, how often do you meet? The USEC, so there's a direction, you're looking at your short-term, mid-term plan. You know, how often do the USECs get together and really talk details?
Well, every 3 months with our management group.
Every 3 months.
But daily we meet as often as we can.
So, sir, in the last 3 months, or let's say the last 6 months, you've had 2 meetings with all the USEC. How many of those 2 meetings was the president present?
None.
So thank you for...
Yari ka. Yari ka. Bukas sa bukas. Booking eh. Sabi ng DA, ilang kayong USEC? O, ganito. Ganito kami kadaming USEC. Gaano kayo kadalas mag-meeting? Every 3 months. Wow, every 3 months? Sa nakaraang 6 na buwan, nakailang meeting na kayo? Sa 2. O. Sa 2 na yon, ilang beses umatin ng presidente? Wala. Yari ka. Yari ka. Kay Ma'am Shi. Yari ka. Ako po, yari.
your honesty, I think that's one glaring problem. There's advantages in having the president be the named secretary for department, but for a department with so many issues and problems, I don't think it's good governance, personally. I have the highest respect for the president. He means well. But I think we need a full-time secretary. What are your thoughts on that?
I think we need a full-time secretary. Ano sa tingin mo, Yusek? Ako, yari siya dito. Sa mga tanong ganyan. Kung naman, pinapahamak mo kung sasagot mong yan eh. Sa tanong mong yan.
Your OIC, we respect you, but what are your thoughts on that? You haven't met with the president, the named secretary, once in the last 6 months.
No, I meet the president twice a week.
Nang-meet naman kami ng presidente twice a week. Kami lang. Kami lang nga gumagawa ng desisyon.
I meet personally the president twice a
But
week.
not the other USECs who have other issues and concerns.
Hindi, importante kami lang. Kami lang naman ang nagdi-decide. Yung iba, display lang yan.
Well, the issues and concerns that the president tells me are the concerns that I'm telling the undersecretary's assistants.
So sa madaling salita, siya ang mediator between the undersecretary and the president. Nakukuha nyo yung point ni Congressman, napaka-importante ng point ni Congressman Dasa kasi para magkaroon ka ng, kaya nga ho tayo may secretaries eh. Diba? From the president to secretaries. Halimbawa, nung panahon namin, hindi naman every time mamimit ni presidente ang lahat ng USEC at ASEC ng PCOO even if they are under the office of the president. Tandaan nyo, PCOO is under the office of the president. That's why it's very important yung papel ng secretary. Na si Secretary Martinon, yun, madalas niyang i-meet ang mga USEC niya. Okay, para every instruction of the president, dadaan ngayon sa secretary. That's the purpose na merong secretary. Ultimong yung secretary ng DA, hindi nakikipag-usap sa USEC niya, pinadadaan lang niya through another USEC, may problema tayo doon. Diba? Sa madaling salita, parang hindi hands-on yung DA secretary. At lahat na lang ng desisyon mula dito sa tao na to at kay presidente lang.
secretaries. And for that matter, even directors for that issues.
Well, I'm curious, like for example, would the president know that the unutilized appropriations for 2022 was 6.
Kasi nagpapalusot na si Yusek. So, binanatan siya ni Congressman Dasa. Alam ba ni presidente na ganito, hindi nagamit? At pakinggan niyo ang sagot.
7 billion pesos? Does he know that your unutilized appropriations for 2023 is about 36 billion?
He knows.
And what has
Yes daw. Ano sagot ni presidente kung alam niya yon?
he said about that?
He is working it out with the department itself and the Department of Budget and Management.
Okay, does he know that DA made commitments to members of the House which were not complied? Does he know about that?
Ayan. Alam niya ba na meron na pinangako na dapat makomply dito sa Congress? Yung pinangako ng DA?
Said?
I don't know.
Well, that's exactly my
I don't know. Nagigets nyo? Kasi nagpapalusot pa si Yusek. Ngayon, ipinapasok na ni Congressman Dasa yung mga malalalim pang mga katanungan tulad nga ng mga alam ba ng secretary na merong pinangako ang DA na dapat maayos. Hindi niya alam. Sabi niya, that's why we need a full-time DA secretary.
point. I think first is, for you to do a better service to this country, I think you really need to recommend to the President to find a full-time secretary who will face us daily, weekly, monthly.
Sabi naman ni Congressman Dasa, that's why you have to tell the President that we need a secretary in DA who could meet the USEC weekly or monthly. Tas naputol na. Actually, alam ko na sasabihin ni Yusek doon. Sasabihin niya, di ikaw magsabi, bahala ka. Ikaw na. Kaya mo sabihin yan kay Mamsi na maglagay na ng sekretary ng DA? O ikaw magsabi, bakit ako? Gusto mo masibak ako? Siguro yun ang sinabi niya nung sa isip-isip nung Yusek doon. Ikaw naman congressman, alam mo naman na hindi ko pwedeng pakialaman yan eh. Ikaw na! Ikaw na magsabi bakit ako. Sabi nung isa dito baka kasi marami pang ibang ka-meeting si secretary. Sabi ni Diego Latigo. Iba ka-meeting ng DA secretary. Sila nako, delicates. Diba? Nako, sa tingin ko. Ang resulta nito, Congressman Dasa, you're out of the kulambo. Wala ka nang bukas na bukas. Wala na mga pribilehiyo mo.